I am going to give you is like this. Okay. So this point is A and this point is B. All are RRR. Okay. Now what is the equivalent resistance between AB? We will try here, drawing a line of symmetry and trying to solve this.
The 5/6.
How did you do that?
I separated the close.
You separated the
Node.
Which node did you separate? Which node did you separate? At O.
Yes, sir.
You separated the node there. How did you separate? Tell.
Sir, 2R and R, like, we can separate the node.
You tell, I will draw the separation node. You tell me, I will draw. You go on telling, I go on drawing. Come on.
Sir, yes.
A. A. Okay.
And branch, sir.
It will, I'll draw one resistor, this resistor.
That is R is in parallel with R.
Hello, E resistor tegade. First, tegade. Munda.
That is in parallel with lower R.
Parallel with lower R. Okay.
And it is connected in series to that middle R, like, which is joining the two. Yes. Now, yes, we that entire thing is in parallel, like.
Next, what
Yes, sir. This lower is extended and connected to the upper one.
This one?
Yes, sir.
I should connect like this, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. Right to the ends.
This one I should connect it to this end. This end.
Yes.
Like this, sir.
Yes, sir. Without any resistance.
Without any resistor. This resistor?
Sir, that will be in series with that. That will be in series with this parallel combination.
Hello, ER birthday. Amele, this R I wrote, then this R I wrote, then this R I wrote, then what else should I write? Then this R I should write here, no? How you direct it? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Munda.
And repeat it for upper.
Repeat it for upper. Munda. You register, sir?
Sir, no, sir, I did it in different ways.
Secret another.
Sir, I split it diagonally, sir, like we will get two branches.
You split it diagonally,
like I separated the two branches.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನಾ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೂತ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿ ಲಘು ಲಘು ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಂದ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ನೀ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಾನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
Sir, we consider that lower quadrant, sir.
Lower quadrant. Okay, you tell like this, sir. You see, you should know how to communicate. You tell, sir, this is quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. You tell like that. Okay.
Yes, we consider four quadrants.
Hanga. Sir, draw the resistors of the fourth quadrant. Here, hanga.
Yes, sir.
Here, sir.
Yes.
See, no helping Sijan. I have been on many interview panels. See, what happens there is, now many students, 100 students come for the interview, all are 99% and above. Only 5 students are to be picked up. Just imagine, the interviewer has to pick 5 students from all 99% and above. So then we start looking at so many skills in the students. One of the important skills is communication. Now, if you don't communicate well, you will fail in that interview. Okay, so that is the competition in this world. So you should have the knack of communicating to the other. Sir, make this 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants. Draw the registers of the fourth quadrant. Okay,
Yes.
done.
Yes, sir. Now I have separated this quadrant, sir, and the second quadrant also we write.
Second quadrant, good. You tell like that. Second
We don't
quadrant,
connect
wait, I know, you write. Second quadrant you write without connecting it to this one.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes,
You
sir.
tell like that. Without connecting it to this, you write second quadrant. Good.
Yes.
Good.
Now, sir, from terminal A, sir, we draw. Yes, from there to the second quadrant, we join with class.
We join with. Okay.
And similarly, from D to the third quadrant, fourth quadrant, we join with class.
Yes. Good. Now, did somebody try out this method that you are taking this as a symmetrical line, and then you have tried to do that? Did somebody try like that?
Yes, sir. But what do you know about the methods?
So the question here was, what are you going to do with this? Isn't it? Anyway, this one, this one, this one. So all this become R by 2, R by 2, R by 2, because this is going to overlap on this.
Yes.
Okay. But now, how will you resolve? How will you handle this? This is the question. Okay.
Can you start it as?
You have to use star delta. That is a different thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's a different thing. So you cannot use the symmetry here and handle this problem.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes. That is an issue there. Okay, fine. So you cannot simply draw it like that. So there are some restrictions, like the Gaussian surface. You cannot draw the Gaussian surface on the charge.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If there is charge, you cannot draw the Gaussian surface there. You have to either draw it away from that or inside it, include it or exclude it. You cannot draw it on the way.
Yes.
So there are some, these techniques have got some rules which you have to follow. Alright, well done. Okay, shall I proceed, students?
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt.
Hello.
Sir, we have split this at the center, sir. Sir, then the point where we reach, the potential should be same.
Where? Here, this one. Here.
Sir, not that figure.
Here.
Yes, sir. At B dash and the other points.
At this point, these two potentials are same.
Sir, how are these?
Yesterday only we discussed now. This is the common potential.
Yes, but resistors are different between them.
Resistors are same. Why resistors are different?
Yes.
It is same.
Okay, yes.
It is same. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now you keep this problem alive. I will today teach you star delta transformation.
Yes, sir.
I will teach you today. I have prepared for that. Okay. Then using star delta, you solve this and see whether you get the same answer. Okay. So then you will be convinced. Otherwise, you are having some doubts, sir, how it will be different and all. You will be convinced. Let us solve it by one or two different methods. Fine, students?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Well done. Okay. So now, my preparation for today's class is like this. See, yesterday we